Hi, I'm Aaron Steil from Gardening with Steil on Iowa PBS. It's weeding season. Well, actually all times of the year are weeding times of the year. And unfortunately, we always don't have just dandelion and creeping Charlie to deal with. Sometimes we have more problematic weeds, like those of woody trees and shrubs. Woody weeds like tree of heaven, buckthorn, poison ivy, or this mulberry can be dealt with in a few different ways. If small enough, pull them. I like to use a needle nose pliers to get a good grip and pull them out, roots and all. If bigger, we can't just cut them off. They'll just resprout. You can try to dig it out, but if the weed is too close to another plant or a fence line, this can be hard. Since this one has resprouted, it's much bigger than it looks, so I can't dig it out easily. Another option is to cut and stump treat with a herbicide. I'm going to dig down a little, cut off the stem with a pruners or a saw, and spray the stump within a few minutes of cutting it off. Use a non-selective herbicide like glyphosate or a herbicide sold as brush or poison ivy killer. They usually have triclopyr, 2,4-D, or dicamba as an active ingredient. You can also apply the herbicide with a foam brush. Check back in a couple of weeks and reapply herbicide if you see any new sprouts pop up. A special note about our least favorite woody weed, poison ivy. This native woody vine can cause terrible rashes, so handle it as little as possible and with gloved hands and long sleeves. Treat it with a herbicide when possible, and if it's not possible without damaging surrounding plants, cut it off at the base and stump treat it. I hope this helps you deal with these really tenacious woody weeds in your own yard. Thanks for joining me with this gardening tip on Gardening with Steil.